Have you observed a new feature of YouTube that shows short, interesting videos? Did you know that you can make money out of it? Do you want to learn how to do that? You don't actually need to do a lot. You don't need a content writer, you don't need a voice actor, and you don't need a video editor. Interesting, right? We will reveal the secret of how to make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos in this video. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities, such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. It's no secret that generating revenue on YouTube may be difficult. Most artists want to make enough money to pay their bills and maybe even a little extra. However, if you know what you're doing, there are ways to earn more money on YouTube. If you are still new to YouTube, you may use YouTube Shorts to gain more attention. With the help of the software YouTube Shorts, you can make and share 15 to 60-second long videos with other users. Your video can be made more interesting by including effects and music. One of the most incredible ways to attract as many views as you can for your videos in a short amount of time is through YouTube Shorts. The best chance you now have to expand your YouTube channel fast is through short YouTube videos. Other than that, you can also make money out of it. You want to know how? You must try this method. Step 1. Go to TikTok. The app with the most downloads worldwide right now is TikTok. TikTok is the 5th app to surpass 3.5 billion downloads overall after being downloaded more than 176 million times since the year 2022 began. When you open TikTok, a swarm of amateur and expert videos welcomes you. Most videos feature music, humor, or content connected to a TikTok challenge. The video sharing site is used by a lot of people as a means of self-expression and for sharing their lives in interesting ways. So what should you do in TikTok? Why is it connected with YouTube Shorts? We will get the videos we upload in our YouTube Shorts here. Download the most famous video that is related to your channel. Don't worry because we will give credit to the owner of the video in the caption. You can also put your email address in the caption so that if they have problems with you uploading their video, we can absolutely take that down. They will not be bothered by that since it will expand their audience if their videos are shared with other platforms. Step 2. Download the video. The next step that we should do is to download the TikTok video that gained a lot of impressions. Just go to your browser and search for TikTok Downloader. Click the first link and copy the URL of the TikTok video that you want to download. Be sure to go to a link that removes the watermark so that your videos won't be flagged by YouTube. Step 3. Upload it on your channel. After downloading the video, you should now upload it as YouTube Shorts. After uploading, put credits in the description. Put a good caption, and you can also add effects to your video. It depends on you. If you don't want the hassle, then you can easily upload your video. Easy, right? You don't have to make videos. You just have to download and upload them. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now let's continue. Now the question is, how can we make money with YouTube Shorts? Don't worry, because we will also discuss that in this video. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Earn through YouTube Shorts Fund. The $100 million YouTube Shorts Fund was established to reward creators who produce unique and imaginative shorts that the YouTube audience enjoys. This is an excellent method to monetize your shorts and make more money from your YouTube channel because hundreds of creators will each month be eligible for a bonus from the fund depending on their engagement and performance. If your channel meets the requirements, you are eligible for payment. The amount you can earn as a creator depends on how many people watch and interact with your shorts, which can be up to 60 seconds long. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $10,000. According to YouTube, only creators from 10 countries, the United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, and South Africa are currently eligible to participate in this. However, there are plans to open up this program's eligibility to more nations eventually. You must have uploaded at least one eligible short in the previous 180 days to be eligible to apply for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Additionally, your channel must adhere to YouTube's community guidelines, copyright policies, and monetization guidelines. Number 2. Affiliate links. When you already gain enough views and interactions, put affiliate links to the description or comments of the video you uploaded. If your video is about fitness, find a brand that offers commissions. You can also look through ClickBank for affiliate links. You can find tons of them. Other than being an affiliate, you can also do brand sponsorship. With this, it is better to create your own content and not just get videos from other platforms. You can do this after gaining loyal audiences in your channel. You can get in touch with businesses directly or use an influencer marketing platform to acquire brand partnerships or sponsorships. Number 3. Run ads and earn money. Coming soon. Ads cannot currently be displayed on YouTube Shorts videos. This is anticipated to change in 2023 when YouTube plans to run advertisements on Shorts. As with other YouTube videos, you can monetize your views by collecting ad income. You must connect your YouTube account to an AdSense account to accomplish this. You'll then start making money once advertisements appear on your shorts. Remember that not all of your shorts will be eligible for advertising. To prepare for 2023, you must start doing YouTube Shorts now. There's nothing wrong with trying. Go on and start doing these simple steps now. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to try your luck with YouTube Shorts? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.